Hello there, I am Dylan here taking a look at Kit Kat Chunky, but with a bit of a twist because these packets of Kit Kat Chunkies include a free Hot Wheel collectible keychain. I'm just gonna give a bit of my predictions on the keychain thing that I actually collected an antique car, and the fact that it was all made out of plastic, and I did not expect that this toy or keychain, whatever you want to call it, will be in high quality. I think it'll be made out of metal, but as you can see, there's no visible interior. The windows are all black plastic, and all the wheels are the exact same, but I will showcase that later. I did get this from the Popular Mega Book Fair. It's apparently usually priced at 5.90 cents, and it was discounted down to 5.50 cents, but if you decide to buy 2 packets, you get it for 10 ringgit 50 for the 2. I proceeded to get all 4. This is all the designs I had. I think this is all the designs that they offer. All the packets are exactly the same, featuring the green car at the bottom and the red car there. Out comes the cardboard with the car, which is and as you can see, okay, the cardboard flap is actually used to hold in the vehicles into the cardboard. And it's actually done like this. Pull this out and you can pull this out. So these are the 4 keychains. We got a what seems to be like a Bugatti Veyron, a Audi R8, a Ferrari 458 Italia, and an Aston Martin 177. Green, yellow, blue, and red. As you can see, all of them, except the R8 for some reason, features headlight details in the form of silver painted, of the headlights being silver like painted. All of them front windshield in this dark black plastic. Moving over to the side, all of them have the exact same wheel design, and they all have the Hot Wheels logo on the door and the Kit Kat logo on the other door. The side windows are not there, so you can kind of see a little bit of detail with 2 seats, but as you can clearly see in this shot, there's no dashboard. The features for the interior are really basic, just 2 seats, and that's about it. The base of the vehicles do not feature any details about like what the model is called, because like most traditional Hot Wheels, you know, they will feature Hot Wheels logo, copyright detail, and the name of the vehicle, but these ones don't. They do feature different base. This is the 177 Aston Martin, Ferrari. Got the Bugatti. You see, they're different, and the Audi. You can see a bit of the wheel axle there; it's a bit exposed. All the vehicles are riveted together, the base and the metal top are riveted together with just one rivet on the end, which is a bit, I think it's a way to save money. And the extension of the base is where you find a hole for a keychain component on the vehicle to be added. I think this is the biggest weakness, in that the fact that because the base is made out of plastic, it can easily break off, meaning that you can't use the keychain part anymore. And the fact that this is metal and that's plastic isn't helping that either. This is seems to be like a generic keychain, probably going to rust quite soon. I do think the body is made out of metal, but everything else is made out of plastic. At the back of the vehicles, they all feature black windows, except the Bugatti, which has a bit of a detail, which is because in the rear Bugatti, that's where the engine is, and I guess they're trying to replicate that. And unfortunately, all of them do not feature any details with like the tail lights or rear diffusers or anything like that. They're really just plain models. I'm going to bring in a Hot Wheels or two right now, just as a bit of a comparison of scale and size. I do think that these keychain ones are of a small scale. I want to just estimate about 186 over the traditional Hot Wheels 164 scale. I mean, this is a rather short car. I think this is a Ferrari Enzo. You can easily see that it's longer, and it's also, I mean, look at it, it's wider. And then this is a longer Hot Wheels vehicle. This is the Cova, and it's definitely longer than these scale models. While the Audi R8 lack headlight details, it does feature like a pearl paint, while the other three are just flat colors of yellow, green, and red. That's pearl, which is a trade-off which I now kind of understand. You know, they kind of have everything, so they rather went with the pearl over the headlights. But yeah, I found that interesting. So there you guys go. That's the Hot Wheels collectible keychain bundle with Kit Kat Chunky. Thanks for watching.